Good morning. Um, Today we are going to try to fix my face with a fresh new glowy summer makeup that I've been doing recently. Ignore my acne. I have appointment with my dermatologist later today, so that's gonna get fixed soon, hopefully. But until then, we are gonna try to do a cute summer glowy makeup situation that I've been doing recently. So, yeah, my makeup routine kind of like changes like every month or so, and this is the makeup that I've been doing this kind of like summer because it gives me very like summery glowy vibes and with a lot of sunscreen, a lot of protection. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, let's get started. So first thing that I do, I try to make my hair now look weird. Why does my hair look like this? This is my second day of curls. Maybe that's why it looks a little bit like off. Okay, who cares? So first thing that I do, I don't put on primer. I put on a moisturizer with SPF. This one has 20, so that's not ideal because ideally you want something that has 30 plus, but my moisturizer has 20, but I also put on like more SPF like at the end, so I think that it kind of like combines and it gives you that like 30 plus. I heard that it's really important that if you put kind of a sunscreen on and also you put on moisturizer, it's important that it's kind of like combined because it can kind of cancel each other out if you put on like a sunscreen and then you put on moisturizer. I think the moisturizer or like other creams that you put can maybe like deactivate the SPF. It's better to have 20 then that's activated than to have 50 that's deactivated. You know what I mean? My skin has enough issues, as you can see. Like, we don't need to add sun damage to all of this. So I got this concealer from L'Oreal that's like very high coverage, and I kind of use that before my foundation to kind of fix my dark circles and any spots that I have, which is a lot lately, but you know, I've been stressed out, so I don't know. We're gonna see what my dermatologist says later today. So I saw on TikTok that if you do your concealer first before your foundation, your base is kind of like smoother. I don't know, it looks better. Okay, now that I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, we move on to foundation. This one is low coverage one or like medium, depending on like what you define as low slash high coverage. You know, for me this is like low coverage. Okay, now that that is done, we're still not done with our face because then I take this high coverage one and I put that only where my acne is so that it can like cover it up nicely, because let me tell you, nothing covers up this like acne. You kind of have to do the most, you know, if you really want to cover it up, and even then you can like probably still see it. So what you're gonna do. So that's it. We have erased our face and now it's time to like bring it, build it. Yeah, now it's time to build it back up. But this time, you know, we are gonna make it so it's gonna look nicer than our real face, you know, and that's kind of the whole point. First things first, I'm the realist, but second things second, we have to set. Yeah, I don't bake, I don't like do anything because like I said, this is kind of like a glowy summer makeup. You know, we don't want to look cakey, we want to look like it's summer and we are like kind of like sweating, we just like left the pool, we are glowing, and you know, that's the vibes that we want. Do we achieve those vibes? Always no. Then it's time for bronzer. I kind of like put it everywhere. The most, you know, would be where you would contour, because I don't contour because my face is shaped like the moon, so it doesn't really, contour doesn't really go well with this face. This is my attempt of nose contour. Just take this and like do this. And that's it. Okay, now it's time for the glowy part of the makeup, and I recently bought this. It's Glow Mon Amour. I don't know, I can't speak French. I speak like 10 languages, French is not one of them. So they're this kind of like highlighting drops, it's what they're called. It's really like pink and pretty. And even though this is kind of like a drip, you don't want it to like drip down your face because it does not look pretty. Yep, that's enough. That's a little bit too much, I think, but it's fine. We're going for that glowy makeup look. Look at that. Look at that. That's so much glow. Oh my god. And even though it looks like super pink, once you kind of blend it around, it's not that pink. It's just really glowy. Now for a more pinky look, we are gonna put blush all over it. And because it's really like glowy and sticky, like blush will stick to this like nothing. Like it will be like a lot. So let's try not to overdo it, but even if we do, you know, it's kind of like we are blushing, it's summer, it's fine. You see the difference? This one just glowy, this one pink and glowy. And now I look like I've just seen my crush. So that's always fun. Or not, honestly. I don't know. Maybe I look like a clown. I think that this is cute, but honestly, who knows? When you think that that's, you know, enough glow, that's not enough glow. Now we want to put highlighter. Where's my highlighter? I can never find my shit. Okay, here it is. This is the moment to look like the glowy goddess that you are, you know? Yep. And now we're glowing all around from all angles. We are glowing. It doesn't matter how the sun hits us, we're glowing. The like 15 minutes I decide to film, the sun decides to like disappear. So rude. That's so freaking rude. Let's do our brows, which, you know, it's my brows. I always do them the same. That has not changed. Okay, the sun is back and we are back. I'm so happy about this. Okay, let's get going before it disappears on us again. Okay, so let's do eyes, because you thought that this is a lot of pink. Hold on, you have not seen anything. This is my blush, but I'm also gonna be using it on my eyelid and it's gonna match my blush, and I think that looks cool. I don't know why. I'm gonna take this pink one over here. Can you even see? I'm so bad at this. Like, why do I always like do my makeup on camera like I'm good at it or something? It's so weird. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one. It's called Lace. Okay, that didn't really do much. Let's try to mix this and this. Please be darker, please be darker. Not too dark, just not too dark. I took Spanked. It's this one. That's a spicy name. Okay, I think that that's enough pink. I can't believe that I just said that, but that's enough pink. I think. There's never enough glow. We can always have more. Queen of the rhymes. Do I want to do eyeliner today or not? Because honestly, this summer like pinky look is giving me more like no eyeliner vibes. Am I right or am I right? Okay, we're not putting on eyeliner. Sometimes I do, but I don't feel like it today. So there's also a high chance that I'm gonna mess it up, so I don't want to do it on camera. So that's my mascara. Wow, it makes all the difference, doesn't it? Imagine if I had the patience to put on fake eyelashes. Imagine. I mean, I'm not gonna do it, but imagine. Let's finish it strong with something pink on my lips. First, let's overline them a little bit because why not? It's cheaper than getting lip filler. So then I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss. The sun came back. Can the clouds please fuck off? Thank you. Okay, with that being said, I think that we are done. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching this video. I have other ones. I know that it's been kind of weird. I'm in a weird mood today, so I have no idea what I said during this video, but if it was weird, I'm sorry. I'm in a weird mood, but it's a good mood. It's happy. The sun is giving me all the happiness that I need, and my depression is no longer. So we're good, we're happy. Thank you again for watching all of this. I have other videos. You can check them out if you want. You can like, you can subscribe, you can do basically whatever you want to do. And I will see you next time. Okay, bye.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything